One of the first things that happens once you've been involved in an accident is your phone rings. And typically it's the insurance for the other vehicle, the at-fault vehicle, calling to get details and find out how you're doing. And oftentimes the voice on the other end, that insurance adjuster, seems very sympathetic, very concerned about how you're doing. But that's really the last thing that they are. What they really are calling and trying to do is trying to minimize what the at-fault insurance company is going to be on the hook for in the event that you pursue a case for your injuries. So you have to be really careful, especially when the other insurance company comes calling. And anything that you say can be taken out of context. So it's always best to decline those calls and not speak with the other insurance company until you've talked to a lawyer to discuss all of your options. Once you've retained an attorney, they will take over all of those communications for you. But be careful, if you do speak with the other driver's insurance company, you want to make sure that you keep it very short and to the point. Don't discuss anything that may be turned or twisted into showing that you're somehow at fault, such as an apology or even asking how the other person in the vehicle is doing could be twisted to somehow showing that you are admitting fault. So that's really the cardinal rule, and you don't want to do that. The other thing that you don't want to do is limit the injuries that you're claiming, or in some way convey that you are not injured, that you're fine. A lot of times within a day immediately following the accident, things don't feel terrible, but after a few days, you really might start to feel that pain set in following an accident. And it's not uncommon for people to seek medical treatment several days following an accident because that's when they really start to feel it. So that's another thing you really want to be careful of. Also, if you're dealing with your own insurance company, just know that typically you do have an obligation to provide them with information concerning the accident. But again, the same thing, you want to be careful of saying anything that could somehow be construed as fault on your part until you've spoken with an attorney and really evaluated the circumstances of the accident.